Hey guys, tonight we're going to be having a seafood boil, me and my baby, Madison. And we're going to be trying out the Itswannie, now that's good sauce. So we're going to leave that sauce right there. And I said seafood boil, but we really have shrimp. The only seafood we have is shrimp. And we got boiled eggs, corn, and sausage. Come on. Dig in.
What you want me to eat?
Whatever you want to eat.
Okay. Don't I need gloves?
No, you don't need any gloves. And we don't have any gloves.
Okay. Can I get like some rice?
You want rice? I'll give you rice if you want rice, but you never eat rice. You sure you want it or
Why
no?
is the plate wet?
Your daddy probably just didn't dry it. Just dry it off.
How?
Get the paper towel and dry it off. So guys, tonight what we're gonna be doing is it's 9 o'clock at night. So she good. School's out. It's summertime. She good. So what we're gonna be doing tonight is I'm gonna be asking Madison some questions.
What questions?
Some tough questions. Some tough questions. Oh, I can't. You want to take that out so you don't get it? Oh, and we have cucumber and lemon.
And some shrimp.
The lemon are really for Madison. Don't.
Don't give me all the lemon.
Okay.
I almost said shrimp. Mama, I'm gonna taste it. Where's those seeds? I'm scared. Is it good?
Yeah,
It's good.
you can try it.
I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. I'm scared. Okay, hold on.
And did I say boiled eggs? We got boiled eggs too.
3. Mom, count down for me. Count down for me, Mom.
3, 2, 1. So we're gonna get right into the questions.
Mm-mm.
You don't like it? I'm not watching. I'm trying new stuff. Well, and she knows she don't like it. I'm trying to get some of this sauce. So,
Guys, that was nasty.
so first question. First question. Eat. You can eat. First question. Who is your favorite cousin?
Well, that's hard to answer. Wait, like all?
Just who is your favorite cousin? Out of all of the cousins you have, who is your favorite cousin? Okay.
That's hard to
Oh, that's good. This sauce good, y'all. It really is.
I'm really thinking about her name.
You gotta think about your cousin name.
No, I'm thinking about the person.
Tell us. We want to know.
I don't want to.
We want to know, who is your favorite cousin?
I'm gonna tell you, and then you gotta tell the vlog. My favorite cousin is Raymond, because every time I go, no, not Raymond, Victoria and Leslie.
Oh.
But my most favorite is Raymond, because every time I go over their house and see them, Raymond comes. Every time she sees me, she comes running and she gives me a big hug.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And she's so cute.
Okay. How long have you ever stayed up at nighttime?
And you're gonna whoop me on that.
Now you gonna whoop me on that one. She already know. See, I go to bed early. And I put her in bed.
Yeah, she go to bed like before me.
I can't wait for other folks to go to sleep, honey. I got to go on and go to bed.
Y'all still waiting for me?
What's the latest you've ever stayed up?
Probably like 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock?
Mm.
What was you doing up at 3 o'clock?
I was watching my phone for
Mm-hmm.
no, I watched my phone for a little bit, and then when I get sleepy, I cut my phone off and put it on the bed, and I just go to sleep. And then I woke, and then you always wake me up for my beauty dream.
You got beauty dream.
My beauty sleep.
Yeah, beauty sleep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You always tell me I have to go to school and daycare, and I hate daycare.
Okay, so now who is going to be a tough one? Ooh, that sausage was spicy. Ooh, that sausage was spicy.
Ooh, that's so spicy.
Who is your,
Who's my what?
who's your favorite parent?
That is a tough one.
Who's your favorite parent?
Daddy. Cause
But you're doing a seafood bowl with me.
you know why? Because he lets me get hot doggy, he lets me get a toy, and sometimes he be nice to me. And you always cuss me out.
I do not. Mm-mm.
And then you always start whooping me.
I don't do that. Hand me a paper towel.
What else?
That sausage was
Did
spicy.
you taste the shrimp?
Yeah. I did.
No, not the shrimp. The what you call it? Corn.
The corn? No, I hadn't tasted the corn.
I'm trying to get the seed.
Okay. Next question. What is your favorite thing to do?
What's my favorite thing to do?
Oh, that lemon.
My favorite thing to do is
Other than watch TikTok.
Mama.
You know, you ain't gonna like the egg. You know, do you like the eggs or no?
Never taste it.
Okay, try it. But you can't get up and go spit it out if you don't like it. You can't.
Why?
Because,
That's illegal?
yeah, you wasting it.
How is that illegal?
Because if you put something in your mouth, you need to go ahead and chew it up.
So I gotta eat it all?
Yeah.
Nah.
Okay, so don't be trying stuff. Don't be trying new stuff.
But you always tell me try stuff before I don't know what, but you just told me to try stuff.
Yeah, but I mean, don't be trying new stuff on camera.
Why? Okay. Because
Stop doing it.
It's illegal.
Get that.
See, she was about to win me, y'all. You see what she be doing? You see?
I don't really, y'all. She just kidding.
I want some rice. I'm gonna get my own spoon.
Do you really want rice?
Yeah.
I'll get you some rice as soon as we finish the video, okay?
Why? Why can't I eat the rice now?
Oh, let me get one.
I'm gonna go get me a spoon.
Well, that's pretty much it, y'all. This sauce is amazing. It is so good. It's off the chain.
We haven't even tasted.
This the sauce, baby. This the sauce. It is off the chain. Y'all go get y'all some Itswannie sauce. Now that's good. Y'all go get this sauce. And
No, I don't want to be in the video.
you don't want what to be in me. Anyway,
I need to tell you some questions. Ask you some questions.
you want to ask me the question?
Yeah.
We'll do that on another video, okay?
Mama.
Alright. Bye, y'all.
Bye.